Hey, morning internet. So Friday morning and 550 wiring awaits. It's waiting for me there. But you know what? I think I deserve a little treat, so I'm going to go out for a couple of hours on the 600 and blow some cobwebs out. So I'll take you with me. So what do I think? I think it's a real winner. Done about 27 miles and I've really enjoyed it. The bike is it handles really well. It feels a bit looser now. I've been out for a while, but I think that's only going to improve really. The engine seems really smooth now, and I tell you what, from a riding perspective it's really good. It's got loads of power. There's nothing wrong with it at all. The ride seems a little bit hard, so I don't know whether the suspension needs a bit of a tweak or I'm not sure. Maybe that's something I'll look at when we do the restoration on it. But yeah, I love it, absolutely love it. It's a cracking bike, loads of power, just really good. Hope you've been enjoying some of the roads. This is a little bit noisy, but it's first lay-by I saw really, but hope you've been enjoying some of the roads round by where I live. Shropshire's a beautiful county. Lynn's Cafe, great haunt for the bikers. Had many a fine breakfast in there, I can tell you. Anyway, gonna head back now. I'll leave the video running and we'll trim it up a bit more. I'm gonna have to crack on with that 550 wiring, which I know is waiting for me at home, but you know, for those who like the 600, this is a bit of a shout out to you guys. Yeah, let's get going again. Hey, so that's it for today. Well, certainly that was my little ride out. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not too sure when the battery went flat, but yeah, some of the lovely villages and roads around where I live. Shropshire is a beautiful county, and as I say, really close to the Welsh border as well. So lovely ride out. Really pleased with the 600. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but you know what? I'm not really bothered. I really like it. But then, if I'd have been out on the Transalp or the RD, I'd have had just as much fun. I just love motorbikes, really, and I just love motorbikes. So riding them, it's just so special. That sense of freedom that it gives you is just amazing. So anyway, that's it for now. As I predicted, the wiring on the 550 is still waiting for me. So no harm there. I might get to it this afternoon, or I might leave it till tomorrow. I don't know, you know, because it's raining. And anyway, so that's it for today. Just a bit of an indulgent video on my part, really. So nice to get out on the 600. It's a really nice bike, just needs tidying up. Thanks very much for watching, internet. Hope you liked the video. Okay, bye.